Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to connect Steam to EA account. So the first step is to go to their official website, and then you'll have to simply click on this little icon, and then you'll have to create account, and then here you'll have to click on the Steam icon, and then here you'll have to simply sign in with your Steam account. You'll have to give them access to your account. Then here you have to enter some informations about you, and then simply click on next. Then here you have to enter your email address. Then here you have to enable these options, and then simply click on create account. Then you'll receive an email address with the verification code, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.